Picture turning your spare time into real cash without leaving your home. In the next few minutes, we're peeling back the curtain on the secrets of Fiverr affiliate marketing that pros wish stayed hidden. Don't miss out. This guide could be your golden ticket. Fiverr affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer, especially if you've been looking for a side hustle that actually pays. Imagine this. You share a link, someone clicks on it, makes a purchase, and just like that, you earn a commission. Sounds simple, right? But the magic, my friends, is in the details. First up, signing up. You hit the Fiverr affiliate program page and bam, you're faced with a choice that might seem trivial, but is actually your first big decision, picking between an individual or a company account. Going solo, individual it is. Representing a business, you'll want to select company. Now we're on to filling out your personal information. Accuracy is key here. Think of it like your digital ID. This step is crucial because it ties directly to how you get paid. Incorrect details, say goodbye to those hard-earned commissions. But here's where it gets interesting, the part where anticipation builds. Once you're all set up, the world of Fiverr unfolds before you, brimming with gigs you can promote, from graphic design masterpieces to marketing whiz projects. Each has its unique link that you'll share to start racking up those commissions. Now, I want you to think about this. Which gig category excites you the most to promote? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because who knows, your preferred niche might just be the gold mine you've been searching for. Navigating the bustling marketplace of Fiverr to find that perfect gig to promote through affiliate marketing might seem like looking for a needle in a haystack. But here's the thing, it's simpler than you might think. Imagine having the power to point your audience to a service you genuinely believe in and earning from it. That's the beauty of affiliate links on Fiverr. First off, once you're in your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, you'll notice an array of options. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on the Marketing Tools tab. This is your treasure chest. Here you'll find the default and deep links section, and guess what? This is where the magic happens. You can select any gig or category on Fiverr and create a custom link for it. Now, the trick to maximizing your earnings is not just in selecting a gig, but in choosing the one that resonates most with your audience. Think about it, what does your audience need? Graphic design, digital marketing, or perhaps unique web content? Once you've pinpointed a category or gig, generating your affiliate link is just a few clicks away. But here's where it gets even juicier. Want to know exactly where your clicks are coming from? Integrate a tracking code into your link. It's like having X-ray vision. This little hack lets you peek behind the curtain to see which of your promotional efforts are paying off and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now consider this, what types of gigs do you believe your audience would love? Remember, the better the fit, the higher the chance of clicks turning into cash. Share your thoughts or experiences in creating affiliate links for Fiverr gigs. What worked best for you? Unlocking the full potential of Fiverr's affiliate program isn't just about sharing links. It's about making those links irresistibly clickable. And guess what? Fiverr arms you with an arsenal of creative assets like banners and logos to amp up your promotional game. Now the question is, how do you get your hands on these marketing gems? By heading over to your affiliate dashboard, you'll notice a tab labeled Marketing Tools. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on it, you uncover a treasure trove of banners, logos, and more, all designed to catch the eye and spark curiosity. But don't just take any banner. Choose the one that aligns with your site's look and your audience's preferences. It needs to feel like a natural part of your content, not a glaring billboard on a serene country road. Now, integrating these assets into your blog or website might seem daunting, but in reality, it's as straightforward as copying and pasting. You'll find HTML codes next to each asset in your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Simply choose where you want this banner or logo to live in your digital realm and embed the code. Voila, you've just made your site more visually appealing and affiliate ready. But here's the kick. It's not just about making your site look pretty. It's about strategically placing these assets where they're most likely to catch attention and provoke action. Above the fold on your homepage, within a highly engaging blog post, or even in a sidebar that accompanies the reader as they scroll, are prime real estate. Bringing these creative assets into play not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but serves as a constant, subtle reminder to your visitors of the value Fiverr gigs can bring them. Curious to see how a simple banner turned into a conversion powerhouse for someone just like you? Would you like to know where they placed it and what made it so effective? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine you've just launched your latest promotional campaign, equipped with eye-catching banners and logos meticulously placed across your website. Now the real game begins, tracking how these visual magnets perform. Picture the dashboard's analytics section as your mission control center, where every click, view, and conversion from your audience doesn't just add up to numbers, but tells a story of what truly captures their attention. Here's the cool part. Navigating through the analytics section feels like being a detective uncovering clues on what makes your audience tick. Start by looking at the views. This tells you how many eyes saw your efforts. But we're after more than just glances. We need engagement. This is where clicks come into play. A high click rate indicates that your banner isn't just being seen, it's sparking interest. Conversions are the crown jewel, showing the leap from interest to action. But what if the numbers aren't as high as you hoped? No need to worry. This is your cue to become a marketing maestro, tweaking and tuning your strategy. Maybe it's the placement, is the banner getting lost on your page? Or perhaps the design isn't resonating with your audience as much as you thought. Here's a golden tip. Experiment and refine. Test different banners, compare their performance, and keep a close eye on how small changes can lead to big results. Remember, the analytics section is more than just numbers. It's a treasure trove of insights waiting to be discovered. Now, picture yourself applying these insights, watching as your site not only becomes more visually appealing, but transforms into a conversion powerhouse. How empowering does that feel? Think about this. What specific element in your promotional efforts do you believe could significantly impact your overall strategy if optimized? Imagine unlocking the full potential of Fiverr. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer seeking to expand your reach or a business on the hunt for that perfect logo design, content marketing is your golden key. Picture this: crafting detailed blog posts that shine a spotlight on specific services offered on Fiverr. Now we're not just talking about a brief overview, but deep dives that uncover the nuances of logo design, the significance of SEO, services, and the magical transformation they can bring to a business. These blog posts serve as a beacon guiding potential clients to your Fiverr profile. But it doesn't end there. Turning our gaze to the power of video, envision creating tutorial videos that demystify Fiverr's services for business growth. Imagine a step-by-step guide showing how to scout for the best SEO specialists or tips on working with a freelance graphic designer. These resources aren't just helpful, they're a magnet for engagement, drawing viewers who are eager to learn and ready to hire. Now here comes a critical ingredient in ensuring your content doesn't just sit in a corner of the internet, unnoticed SEO. The importance of SEO in content marketing cannot be overstated. It's like sprinkling fairy dust on your content, giving it the wings to soar to the top of search engine results, right where your potential clients are looking. Through the strategic use of keywords, your content becomes visible, accessible, and impactful. But wait, there's more to this story. Think about the immense value of sharing personal success stories of how Fiverr services have accelerated business growth. These narratives not only inspire, but also instill trust and spark action. Now pause for a moment and reflect. Which of these strategies could light the path to success for your business or freelance career on Fiverr?